Today was introduction and social conference.
Sifuna
Wena bazali bami bephathi ama-habit uyawenza bese yawenza la. Asipende futhi ama-habit wenze njani? Bana bangasho ama-habit wenze njani? Ufuna ukubona ushintsho. You believe God for a miracle, but you show up. Wenze njani? Wenze njani bazali bami? You show up. Right there, you show up. Bana mawushumayela abazali babambe kanje ngoba apart from ukulala kulo 10 years ukubane black text yazi black text bane bazi black text black text ile ukuthi ususebenza bayiqala ubele phansi uyekhaya uyolungisa izinto afanele zenziwe abazali bakho zenziwe